Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up your phone data with Google One. Backing up your phone is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your data, whether it is contact, photos, messages, app data. Losing your phone does not have to mean losing everything. With Google One, you can securely store your data in the cloud and restore it anytime on a new device. And Google One acts as a backup manager. So first, open the Google One app on device. And here, once you get into this interface, here what you can do is and you can simply tap on the storage on the bottom there. Under the storage, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this option where you sync data. Tap on the iPhone there. Over here, you can simply tap on the view settings. So over here, what you can do is you can manually sync your photos and videos, contacts or calendars. Simply select one of the options there and simply tap on the check status and you can simply toggle it on and give the full access, and that is it. You can preferably do manually as well. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.